Hey guys, good evening. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about something I recently picked up. So it is October. Halloween is just next week. I wanted to carve some pumpkins tonight with my husband. So I bought Pumpkin Masters carving kit, which I will be doing another video on later, but for now this is the Pumpkin Masters Flickering tea lights. So they're really great. I don't think that they're just for pumpkins or for jack-o'-lanterns. You could use them for so many other things. Of course, like tea lights are great, various reasons, but these specifically I purchased for the pumpkins, for the jack-o'-lanterns, and I think it's really great that they are the color orange, so they are the color of the pumpkin. So, a little bit about this. I currently have the tea light in one of the pumpkins we carved, so that's why you only see one here, because I just want to point out that this product does come with two tea lights. So these are safer than candles. You could find, I guess, this brands on Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube. They are flickering tea lights. It says Master Your Pumpkin there on the side. Pumpkin Masters. Since this says CVS, I guess I should mention I did buy this at CVS, but you could get this online as well. So for Pumpkin Masters, to install or replace battery, remove screw and open battery cover. Dispose of old battery properly. Insert new battery, noting correct polarity. Replace cover and screw. Remove battery when not in use. Each requires 1x3V/CR2032. It does come with a battery that works already though, just so you know. Warning, contains a button or coin cell battery. Hazardous if swallowed, see directions. This product contains a button or coin cell battery. A swallowed button or coin cell battery can cause internal chemical burns in as little as 2 hours and lead to death. Dispose of used batteries immediately. Keep new and used batteries away from children. If you think batteries might have been swallowed or placed inside any part of the body, seek immediate medical attention. Caution, this is not a toy. User assumes all risks of injury. Adult supervision required. Do not use with open flame. Not for food use. Caution, choking hazard. May contain small parts. Not for children under 3 years of age. Components made and packaged in Yuyao City, China. Products are distributed by Signature Brands LLC, Ocala, Florida 34474, USA. So there's the number you could call if there's any questions. Pumpkin Masters and Designs are trademarks of Signature Brands LLC, all rights reserved. 1000433, Yuyao City, China. And then there's the little barcode on the back. So I think these are like really simple to use. So it comes with two of these. As you can see, I put a little bit, I put this in my pumpkin, my jack-o'-lantern, so a little bit got on there. But has like the little jack-o'-lantern face there. And it's kind of cute because the nose lights up. Not that you'd really see that from inside a pumpkin, but I think the idea of it's pretty cute. And the back of this here just says Pumpkin Masters and battery. A little hard to see because it's in white writing. I'm struggling a little bit seeing that there. Battery size, I don't know what that says underneath. Made in China. And then there's just the on and off switch. So to turn it on, just turn this on like this. It lights up the jack-o'-lantern pretty well. And I definitely think I agree with the statement that it's safer than candles, because even in like restaurants, I've been to a restaurant, and this is a true story. My hair actually went on fire from I was leaning on the podium by the hostess stand, and I was friends actually with the manager. I went to kiss him on the cheek, and my hair literally caught on fire because they had a real candle inside like a little holder on the hostess stand. So yeah, I think it's just safer in general for people to use tea lights rather than real candles, especially in a public place like a restaurant or something like that. But the same in the jack-o'-lantern. So it kind of lights up the inside. So when it's all hollowed out and it's dark out and you put this inside, it lights up the candle. It lights up jack-o'-lantern really well, and it looks like there's a real candle inside. So I think it's really cool. So these are easy to use, they're lightweights. I'm not sure how long exactly the battery lasts for. I think it's a great value for the price and perfect for the Halloween pumpkin jack-o'-lantern season. So I was really happy to find these at the store yesterday. So these are Pumpkin Masters flickering tea lights. Comes in a pack of 2, perfect for 2 jack-o'-lanterns, or you could get a couple depending how many you guys are carving. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you all have a wonderful Halloween. Thanks for watching.